welcome back to Tasty Keto with G. Today we're gonna come and make some keto waffle. It's a healthy option for us all, for the keto folks. So yeah, let's come and have a look at the ingredient. Right, I got here is 4 tablespoons of coconut flour, 120 grams of soft cream cheese, 4 eggs, sweetener 1 tablespoon, which is I use erythritol in here, 1 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. So this is all ingredient for our easy keto today. So let's go. I'm gonna put everything in the mixer and blend it, and then that's it, we're ready to use, guys. Let's go. I'll put everything in all at once. The remaining juice in here, and now we blend it all well, guys. Here we got the mix ready, and we're gonna wait for the waffle machine to warm up. Then we're gonna start our waffle. Yes, our waffle is ready to go, and we're gonna spray our waffle machine with rapeseed oil. There we go. Coat it over, and now I'm pouring my mix in. The first one I'm not going to use a lot. I'm going to start about this much first to see how well the mix is going to pop up, and then for the second one I will add some more mix. Here we go, my first one ready. The color is not really brown up, but the first one is only testing out the machine, how well they are, and the mix as well. So I'm gonna start do the full load on the second one. So same again, everyone you do waffle, you have to spray oil on it, so get it to stick. And now I put the mix in again in the middle. This time I'm gonna put it up a little bit more, like that, and then close the machine ready. And now we wait for a couple minutes to see how well they're gonna come out. But I'm gonna try this, guys. Tastes good. See, this I got some excessive of the mix coming out on the side, so it's mean I put too much in. So you guys have to be careful when you use your mix. Here you go, guys, our waffle is ready to go. If you guys have some sweet, or you want to have some like ice cream, you can use that waffle with ice cream and with cream, strawberry, blueberry, which is very healthy option too. But for me, I'm gonna have my waffle with pork pate, bacon and egg. Full breakfast. So right, enjoy, you guys, enjoy your keto waffle. So I see you next video. If you like this video, please like and share. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.